Okay, so we're looking at the backing chords question from your mock as well. So again, the very first thing we do is key signature, so it ends on Do, key of G major, so we write it the chord bank of G major. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. Okay, so then chord of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next thing we do is fill out the triads for each. So G, B, D, A, C, E, minor, B, D, F sharp, we don't use 3, C, E, G, D, F sharp, A, E, G, B, and F, A, C. Now 3 and 7 straight to heaven. Don't use, so then 2, 3, but we're not using that, and 6 are minor. Okay, so 1, 4, 5 major, 2, 3, 6 minor. Okay, and there you have it. So name your chords. So this one is G, A minor. Remember, M has to be in the box. Don't you need 3, C, D, and E minor. Okay, so we have our chords there. The next thing you should do is write out the rules. Okay, so 1 goes to everything. Sorry, it's really hard to video this with one hand. Okay, 2 can go to the chord of 5. 3 we don't use, then we have 4, go to 1, 2, 5. Chord of 5 can go to 1, 4, and 6. The chord of 6 can go to 2 and 4. Okay, so once you have that, you have all your rules there. The other rules we have is, so this is now an X not to do. So 5 to 2 cannot do, and 2 to 1 must not be done, but you know that already. And the other rule is do not repeat a chord. Do not repeat a chord unless it's 5, 7. So we'll add in 5, 7 here at the end, which is D, F sharp, A, and C. So if you find yourself that you want to use a chord of 5 and the C in that bar, it's a good option to go with. Or you can end on 5, 7 to 1. The next rule we need to look at is this cadence here must be perfect or plagal. This can only be 4 or 5. Do not put anything else in this box, and this must be the chord of Do. Okay, other rules. That's not allowed, but it's not a good move to make, is backwards movement. So for example, you wouldn't go the chord of 6 to 5, or you wouldn't go the chord of, now you can go 5 to 4, but if you can get something else in instead, it sounds better. So these are kind of all the don't do's. And then what sounds good is, so good is moving upwards by step, falling thirds, so for example that would be like 4 to 2, 6 to 4, 1 to 6, any of those. And what else sounds good? Rising fourths as well sound good. So like 1 to 4, 5 to 1, and 2 to 5. 5. So you probably don't some of you might not understand what I mean by 5 to 1 house at a rising fourth. So we go 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. And the same here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes back like in a cycle. So let's have a look and see where we can go. So here we have a G and an E.